Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making my favorite dessert, key lime pie. And we're making everything from scratch, from the crust all the way down to the whipped cream. If you don't have a food processor, you can do what I'm doing here, just breaking it up and putting it in the blender so we can get it all nice and crushed up. And you want it to look something like sand. You want to crush enough graham crackers to give you 2 cups. So I'm just repeating the process again, crushing up my graham crackers in a bag first and then dumping it into my blender and blend until you get a sand-like consistency. Now that that's done, you can add 1/3 cup of sugar and 8 tablespoons of melted butter. And you want to mix that until everything's incorporated together. Now you can place it in your baking dish. Make sure your baking dish is greased properly. Now just pat it out and make sure it's even all the way around. When you're done, just place it in the fridge and we can start making our filling. Start off with 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. And make sure you get your money's worth out of that can. We will not be wasting money in 2021, okay? Now add a cup of sour cream. I forgot to mention earlier that I'm not using key limes. I'm using regular limes, so shh, don't tell nobody. You can also use lime juice that come in a bottle. Just make sure it is not from concentrate. So we're going to add 3/4 cup of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of lime zest. Once everything is mixed well, pour your filling into your pie crust and bake at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. Once you take it out the oven, let it cool off and then place it in the refrigerator overnight. This part is optional, but I'm going to be making my whipped cream from scratch. I'm going to be starting with a cup of whipping cream, and make sure it is cold and straight out of the refrigerator when you start whipping this. And you want to beat on high until it peaks. When you can hold your bowl upside down, that's how you know it's done. Now you can add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar and a tablespoon of vanilla. Y'all, please excuse my sorry excuse for decorating. I'm trying to get better, okay? Y'all, this key lime pie was so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.